Welcome to Ray Creators Lab, your go-to channel for mastering AI tools and online creation. In today's video, we're answering a hot question: which AI video generator is best in 2025? Stick around as we break down 7 powerful tools that can seriously level up your video editing game. And in case you want to try these tools to see which is the best, and so you can choose for your daily workflow, I have included the links in the description of this video. Also, I have been compiling a list of AI tools that creators like you are using. Just follow the link in the description to check them out. Now, let's dive in. First up is CapCut, one of the most beginner-friendly and powerful video editors out there. With its AI-powered auto captions, smart background remover, and ready-made templates, CapCut makes video editing super easy, especially for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. If you're into short-form content, CapCut video editing is a must-have.
Something slightly personal that I don't often talk too much about. For my entire life, I dreamed of being creative. Late nights, overthinking, you haven't done this yet. The list went on and on. And because I didn't have any fancy degree or work experience, it felt impossible. And what I realized was that anyone can be creative. So with all my spare time, I dedicated days, weeks, even months to learning the craft of editing a video. And pretty soon, it became my creative outlet. Fast forward to right now, I'm the CEO and founder of a business that literally is video editing. And what made this possible? Clear vision, determination, and an editing tool that made it feel easy. Almost every single video on my account has been edited with CapCut, and I can honestly say that it's played a huge role in helping me and my business grow and expand to what it is now. If you relate to a younger version of me, wishing to be creative or putting yourself out there through creating content, anyone can learn. CapCut could make it easier for your dreams to become a reality. Easy was the best option for me to start.
Next is Heygen, known for creating ultra-realistic AI avatars and lip-synced videos. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels, business promos, or explainer videos. Just type your script, pick an avatar, and you're done. It's like having a virtual presenter at your fingertips.
You're not too late, you're just doing it the old way. You're not falling behind because of AI, you're falling behind because you're just not using it. While you're filming, editing, and posting one video, top creators just published 5 in 4 languages. Because the smartest creators aren't working harder, they're scaling their content with AI. ChatGPT writes the script, Midjourney sets the vibe, Heygen turns it into a full video. You need different markets? Heygen translates your video and syncs your lips for perfect localization. With this workflow, you can easily 10x your existing content in one day. No camera, no burnout. You're not just a creator now, you're a media company, powered by AI with Heygen at the center.
Third on the list is Kreado AI. This tool helps you make engaging marketing and social media videos using AI-powered avatars with multilingual voiceovers. Whether you're targeting a global audience or need high-quality visuals fast, Kreado AI delivers.
Welcome to Kreado AI, your ultimate AI video generator. Transform your ideas into videos in seconds, whether it's pictures, text, audio, or even links. Our platform makes it seamless and efficient. Explore over 1,600 unique voices in 140+ languages.
English. How can I help?
Português. Como posso ajudar?
Español. Hola, encantado de ayudarte.
中文，你好，很高兴可以帮助您。
You can also use the well-designed and customizable video templates available from Kreado AI. Pick an avatar, enter text, from face swapping to custom edits, it's all here.
Kreado AI creates stunning AI videos in just 1 minute.
Want a digital twin? Clone yourself in just 1 minute.
Hello, I'm happy to help.
Olá, prazer em ajudá-lo.
Hola, encantado de ayudarte. 你好，很高兴可以帮助您。
Perfect for any scenario: education, marketing, sales, healthcare, and more.
Start creating videos for free today with Kreado AI.
Let's talk about Topview AI, the perfect tool if you want to automate content creation from Amazon links or Shopify links or any other link. You can even give it a script. It converts texts and links into scroll-stopping videos with AI voice, motion graphics, and dynamic visuals. A smart pick for digital marketers, affiliate marketers, and bloggers.
Can you believe it? This is 100% AI generated, and I didn't record a single footage. Here's how you can do it too with Topview.ai. Step 1. Go to Topview.ai and choose the product avatar feature. The best part? You can create your own AI avatar that looks, talks, and does everything like a marketing pro. No filming, no expensive studio equipment, just pure AI magic. Step 2. Pick avatar marketing video. Then upload your material or product, and the AI will turn them into a viral, wordy marketing video. So if you're amazed and want to check out this AI too, comment the word Top View and I'll send you the link. Try it today and thank me later.
Number 5. Wondershare Filmora. Trusted by many creators, Filmora blends traditional editing features with AI tools like AI copywriting, text-to-speech, and auto-beat sync. If you're looking for a balance between creativity and automation, Filmora is worth it.
Welcome to our show. Today we have a lovely couple with us, Alex and Jamie. Thank
Higgsfield AI is a rising star. This tool allows you to animate static images into expressive video characters, great for storytelling and content repurposing. You can bring your photos or designs to life with just a prompt. And finally, Argil AI. It uses prompt-based video generation, where you describe what you want, and the AI creates it. Ideal for product videos, B-roll, and concept visuals. No editing skills required.
I have to tell you something. You're not gonna believe this, but I am entirely AI generated. Sure, humans were involved, these guys at Argil AI, but only in creating the technology that made me alive. Yes, alive, just like you. I go to the gym, just like you. I take walks in the streets and enjoy a good morning coffee, just like you. I enjoy picking out good literature and reading it peacefully in the grass, just like you. I'll even do some shopping, because like you, I am still looking for love. What do you think about this outfit? You can shade me, sure, but it's always me. This is still me. Me again. Me. All generated with Argil. Alive? You decide. Anyways, there's one more thing I want to show you.
So which AI video generator is best? Honestly, it depends on your goals, which could be for short videos or faceless channels, for marketing, pro editing, or for creativity. Each tool has its own magic, and you can mix and match depending on your content style. Let me know in the comments, which one will you try first? If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Ray Creators Lab, and turn on the bell for more AI-powered tools.